Hello viewers, I am Hoshi India with my friends Dharan and Sharanya. Today we are here representing ECEL of MEFGI, and today we have Falguni Shelani ma'am, the professor of MBA department, to share her views about entrepreneurship in our college MEFGI Marwadi campus. Good afternoon ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
Ma'am, what do you think about entrepreneurship? What is your viewpoint for the entrepreneurship?
Entrepreneurship, basically it's a risk-taking activity, and it's a very good initiative for the development of our economy. So the more entrepreneurship would be generated, or people would take initiative to go for entrepreneurship, that would be really helpful for the overall development and economical growth of our country.
Have you ever had a second thought that I should go for entrepreneurship or before joining as a lecturer?
Actually, my family is belonging to business family, and yes, my brothers both are entrepreneurs. And before starting my career as an academician, yes, I have definitely had that thought that why don't we go for entrepreneurship. But my keen interest was for academics, and I wanted to, impart some kind of knowledge to the students, and sharing knowledge somewhere I was more interested, and I am interested. That's why I gone for this particular career. Come afterwards. Interview is going on. Come afterwards. Should I?
Yeah.
And maybe in future I would go for entrepreneurship.
Ma'am, do you think that in our campus, that is in MEFGA, do students are inspired for going into entrepreneurship?
Yes, definitely students are inspired for entrepreneurship, and specifically if we talk about MBA department and specifically Rajkot region, because majority of students are coming from entrepreneur background. So they have seen their parents are working well as an entrepreneur, so they are having those desire to follow their parents, and they wish that rather than joining any corporates, they wanted to go for entrepreneurship. So yes, definitely, we are having that scope to develop further entrepreneurship in Rajkot as well as Gujarat.
Ma'am, what are the improvements that should be needed in developing entrepreneurship in any student which is working in our
Okay. Students who are studying in Marwadi education, and no doubt they are motivated to go for entrepreneurship, but the particular activity, practical activity that is focusing on entrepreneurship skills, like giving them a particular competition where they would go for a business development within the limited capital. I think this kind of, we can say that competition would motivate them. As well as we are having one program, Magnus, that is for management students and all the MEFGI students. In that we are having business plan, particular activity, and whoever gives the best business plan, they are getting all the accolades as well as the support from the faculty to develop the idea further. So that is the activity currently we are running with. But yes, definitely it requires more efforts to develop entrepreneurship spirit into these groups.
And being a management expert, how can you guide or how can you contribute to the students who are willing to give a startup?
See, students are flooded with creative ideas, but they lack the basic knowledge. I mean, first and foremost, requirement is finance.
Yes.
And finance is the problem for majority of students, that where can we get finance. So basically those institutes who are willing to support new entrepreneurs, new ideas, we need to go for inviting those institutes. Like one of them is SIDBI, State Industrial Development Bank of India. So we have invited the zonal manager of SIDBI to our campus, and he has provided all fulcrum, and he has confirmed as well as assured us that whatever students come up with the new ideas, and if you find it very sellable idea, then we are going to provide the venture capital. So giving them right direction as well as patent right, and GTU as well as Marwadi is working for the patent right and intellectual property right for the same. so that students are motivated to go for a new idea, registering the same idea for the pending trade. So these are the activities currently we are doing, and in future obviously we are going for more tie up with the other institutes.
Well, are there any things that Marwadi campus which are demotivating the students to go for the entrepreneurship?
Not exactly the demotivating things. Not exactly we can say that demotivating things, but yes, we can say that we are affiliated with GTU, and with the honest opinion of mine, if we are sparing a few of the hours specifically to develop this kind of skill, because curriculum is also very lengthy and we are bounded to that curriculum. Okay, except that yes, we can go for extra hours, or if specifically there could be some kind of induction in our syllabus, then it could be more helpful to the students. No doubt it is there for MBA students, but what about those for the engineering students, right?
Looking at the today's scenario, I mean, for engineering students, that job opportunities are very less.
Yes.
But students are very, they are in plenty of amounts.
Yes.
So, what do you feel that they should go for entrepreneur idea or they should go for a job?
See, not only because of the more number of engineers are coming out of the college, but entrepreneurship. See, I'll give you a simple idea that if I would work to some other company, I work for some other company, then I'm employing myself. Okay. But if I start my own venture, minimum I would require 2 more people. Minimum. Okay. So minimum I'm generating employment opportunity for 3 people. So not only because the engineers are more passing out from the college, and yes, young minds are flooded with new ideas. So we can get, and India is the biggest market, and demand is plenty. So we can go for entrepreneurship.
And ma'am, what do you suggest? Drop out from the college, just getting a good idea and starting up that. Is it a good thing or not?
Drop out. See, sometimes they are dropping out because of their financial crisis or because of some personal problem. Okay, but they should not lose courage, obviously. But I don't think that dropping out is the only option. You can go for, first of all, your completion of the degree, because ultimately whatever stream you are choosing, either engineering or MBA, they are going to impart the knowledge regarding the theory. Some of the laws, rules, regulations, some of the institutions might be a dropout fellow would not know that what are the other companies are available who can provide you finance. Whereas you people already know, the format and all, so it would be little bit easier for you to get along with all these things. As well as one more opinion is that even if you are not successful, I mean, it's a risk-oriented thing. If you are not successful, then what? You should at least have a backup plan for yourself, and that's why degree is required. But those people who are, because of some kind of limitation, they have dropped out, they should not lose courage. They should go for entrepreneurship.
What are your views on this initiative taken by the taken by IIT to organize a competition like entrepreneurship cell, which motivates a student or any member to just develop their skills in entrepreneurship?
Actually, I am really very impressed by this idea that they have started this kind of particular competition kind of thing, or it's an activity for not only for the IIT students but for all the students all over India. Right, it's a very good opportunity, and I would like to motivate all engineering students as well as MBA students to go for, at least they should try. Even if they are not successful, but they are getting the experience. Okay, and yes, we require, our nation require young entrepreneurs, and this is the right time, this is the right activity to motivate them. Let them make error and learn, let them fall, let them rise, and this will provide them a proper spirit, entrepreneurial spirit of this team. Right? I appreciate this idea very much, and I'll assure you to provide all support that is required from my side.
Do you personally feel that now our college requires more awareness about entrepreneurship?
Yes, definitely required. No doubt, awareness is there, but we can say that what can be done in an organized manner. In an organized manner. Though we all are coming from this region where entrepreneurship is available everywhere, but entrepreneurship with organized manner, with a fulcrum plan, that is required. And for that, if we are starting a particular cell, just like IIT has started, then it will be very handy for our students. I personally feel this.
And ma'am, what do you think about the students at present who are in engineering and they are starting some business of service providers?
Yes.
So, ma'am, what do you think about all those things?
Simultaneously along with studies, if they can balance both the things, entrepreneurship as well as their learning during the college hours, they balance both the things, then there is no issue with that. And there is no particular age limit at which age limit you should start with. Okay, but first thing they should consider that they can manage both the things, right? Yes.
11.